れが噂のバリバリバリの
Waking up, get my girl back, get to making up. Whole team in the room, it ain't big enough, but we here though, so we live it up. Remember talking about this shit when it was a pipe dream, would've killed for it. Remember when I couldn't even give my shit away, now I drop and I billboard it. New city every night, I got new people there to see me. If I told 17-year-old Pac the life that I'm living now, he would not believe me, but somehow it ain't enough. Try to stay in the moment, but I'm staying up late night thinking will it all last. Hope I get to where I'm going for it all pass, I don't know. I do love all the chases, stay on track like auto races. People that know me in all those places, almost famous. Everything looking up, popping off like I shook it up. Boys home and they hook it up, look at us. Long time coming, long time going. How long will they look for us? All day if it's up to me, just a kid from up the street. Used to bump the beats, now I've been down a bunch of streets, seeing kids that bunt to me. What a feeling, stars are out tonight, what a ceiling. Trying to stay in the moment, but I'm staying up late night thinking will it all last. Hope I get to where I'm going for it all pass, I don't know.